we are certainly living in the days of Messiah, and our rabbi, this rabbi knows more about the Jewish teachings of Messiah than any rabbi I've ever met. He's made it his life's work. He is a dear friend of ours. He's been with us several times. I think this is his fourth time with us. And we are working on an upcoming class where we want to study the end times together with Rabbi. And but I'm speaking, of course, of none other than Rabbi Lawrence Hagioff. And would you welcome him back to Bishop and the Rabbi? There he is. How are you, sir?
Wonderful. Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure and an honor to be back with you, Bishop. I really enjoy these sessions so much. And the feedback I've been getting from my audience, Jewish and non-Jewish, has been incredible. So again, thank you so much for having me back. I really enjoy our time together.